Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are starting from absolute zero. If you are a kid, an adult, or even a senior trying programming for the first time, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to explain C# in the simplest, clearest way possible. We are going to open Visual Studio right out very first line of code and make the computer type to us. Let's jump right in. Alright, this is Visual Studio. Think of it as a little special notebook where programmers write instructions for the computer. On the right we have all project, and in the middle on the right we have all project is all code file. Don't worry about remembering everything. Just follow along. In this line tells the computer, hey, I'm going to use basic tools that C# already has. It's like plugging in your toolbox before starting, and you see how this works as program. Let me explain. This creates something like a container that holds your old code. You can imagine it like a folder where we keep instructions. Static void main, who is works this line. This is the entry point of every C# program. If C# were a storybook, this is where the story actually begins. Whenever you run your app, the computer starts reading from this line, and we have console tab, right line, and console read key, and you say how it works, what it is. It's very easy to understand. This line is a command where the computer show the message hello world on the screen. I write hello world. You can modify the text if you want. I put hello world instead taking to the computer and say, hey, write this text for me. And we have this line. This line waits for you to press a key before closing the window. Without it, a message disappears. Too fast to read. And now, just run this program by pressing this screen. It's very easy. You just wrote your first C# program. Even if you are 6 years old or 60 years old, you just told a computer to speak. That's real programming. Good job making it this far. If this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the rest of C# beginners series, and teach your grammar on your bed this video to be an expert programmer. See you in the next video.